Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this stupid thing that I'm doing called news. Yeah, I do that now, but it's not hardware news about new hardware because there are way better channels doing that. This is news about stuff that I'm doing that maybe you're interested in, maybe you're not. And it's also just a chance for me to announce stuff so that you guys know kind of what's happening in the future. So, first, our big announcement. Being the just very terrible money saver that I am, I bought a 3900X. Yes, this is a Ryzen 9 3900X. I couldn't help myself. I should not be trusted with my own finances. So, I thought I would just unbox it during this video because it is kind of our biggest thing. If I can even get this stupid sticker off safely. Boom. Let's just see. I kind of have to hold it up. And yes, I'm going to say this right now. This series is literally just for me to try to figure out how to get this microphone to work exactly how I want it to. This is a very expensive lavalier kit, and I still don't know how to use it. It still sounds muffled because I've been talking away from it every single time. Eventually, I'll get it right. So, in our box, it's actually a very nice box, we get our Ryzen 9 3900X. You can't even see that. I don't have a cameraman to zoom in. That's fine. And this is not an unboxing video, technically. I mean, there is an unboxing going on. But it's mostly just, this is like the exciting news. I do have one more big announcement. Well, for me, I'm excited to do it. Because a lot of people have been asking for it, and we have a cooler. And then it's an empty box. And guess where this empty box goes, guys? You guessed it. On the shelf. Wow, there are a lot of boxes on there. So, I have an announcement that might actually apply to some of you guys that you might actually be excited for. Now, it is not a giveaway, although I did purchase another one of these motherboards because they are, whenever I buy a processor, I buy one of these motherboards. When I buy a processor, they sell these to me for $40 a pop. These are usually about $80 boards. They go for about $60 at Micro Center and $20 off if you buy it with a processor. So I get these for $40 a pop. That's why I give them away. They're very inexpensive and they're very easy. So I now have 3 of them. 2 of them are obviously for our 2 giveaways that are running right now. But this motherboard, I bought this one for a different reason. Now it will be given away eventually because I don't really need it after I'm done with it. But it is going in a PC I've been working on for a little bit. I always say, do not build a PC less than $500. It just won't be as great as a console. But using a combination of used hardware and some techniques that I'm going to teach you guys in the video, I am able to build I would even call it a console killer gaming PC for $300. So I have a $300 budget build coming up. Yes, it does use some used parts, but I will be showing you exactly which parts to buy used and where to get them and stuff like that. But yeah, so it's roughly $300, and I will test it on Fortnite. I don't like Fortnite, but I'm going to test it on Fortnite. But basically, I should not be holding this. Basically, using this motherboard and some parts we'll be talking about in the video, I'm trying not to spoil it completely. I'm hoping to do a $300 budget build. Those are my biggest plans. I'm going to do a video about putting the Ryzen 9 in. This is going in the Razer gaming PC, and I will be making a video update about that. So basically, this will be going in the Razer gaming PC. We'll be making our video about our $300 budget build, and really, that's kind of what I have planned. I do have a build. I just bought another one of these cheap SSDs. I just put Windows on these for new builds. I have a ton, like, even just over here, I have another one. Like, these 120 gig SSDs are like $20 a pop in a bin. I just grab a couple of them every time. I do have a test of the 1660 Ti. So this, I will be making a video about this, but that video won't be, oh, is the 1660 Ti good? Everyone knows it's a good card, but I'm going to be giving it from a perspective, well, I actually had to pay for the card. The people reviewing these cards that you guys are watching so much, they didn't have to pay for this card. I had to pay the $279.99 that this graphics card goes for to get it brand new. And I'm going to say, is it worth that price tag that I paid as someone who actually had to pay for it? And that'll be a video coming up soon that I'm still working on, just getting all the benchmarks done and playing the games with it. Because I do have to switch out my Radeon 7 every time I want to live stream. That's why I'm trying to get my second streaming setup going, the Razer one, but it's not even close to done. And that's about the videos I have planned. I want to do a second test of the R9 Fury X. So someone asked me in the chat, can you do a second test of the R9 Fury X? Yes, I can. You ask, and no one else really shows interest in any of the videos. So fine. R9 Fury X, second look at it. I definitely want to do some actual benchmarks with it. I'm going to crossfire the two Radeon 7s. The Radeon 7s, I have the special edition. I do have an ASRock edition that I want to make a video about. It didn't come in a box, though, because it actually... Funny story, I bought it from someone who got it sent to them from AMD. So, I was pretty insane. It was, I paid only like $400. So yeah, that's kind of the videos I have planned for now. If you guys have any ideas, honestly, because here's the kind of thing I'm doing right now. Like, I'm doing this. You don't see this happening. I'm doing this off the top of my head. But what I'm trying to strive for now is I want to keep doing giveaways. They get me a lot of views. They get me a lot of subs. And they're actually kind of fun to do. And they're not too expensive. I'm breaking even right now. With the Twitch revenue mixed with it's giving away just these starter kits, I'm doing pretty good with the giveaways, so I'm happy to do them. I know I get a lot of, I guess you would call them fake subscribers, but whatever. A number's a number. But, I want to do videos that people are looking up. It's not like a mainstream issue like, how's the 1660 Ti perform? But sort of the lesser tier, like I did, can you run VR in an RX 580? That has 26,000 views on my channel. Something like avoid this common eBay scam has like 3,000 views. My can you run two graphics cards in the same PC if they're different? That has 4,000 views. It's videos like that that are going to get the actual views when they're not, obviously giveaways, that I want to do more of. So if you have any specific questions like those, like recently I did the can you do dual monitor? That was a specific question I found online that was asked by a lot of people, but it's not really answered a lot. So if you see a question that you want answered that's very specific, maybe even specific to just to you, leave it in the comments below, and I might make a video about it. Like, someone wanted the R9 Fury X, and he told me, he's like, there are, like, no reviews of modern-day games on it. I'm going to make that video as soon as I finish making this one. I'm going to put it in my PC, and I'm going to stream with it tonight. When I test the graphics card, I actually stream with it. I play the game competitively like I normally do with the graphics card to test how good it is. Then I usually, I want to start including clips for my stream. My clips are funny. When someone my chat never clips anything unless it's extremely funny. So that's the point. So that's what I planned. Tell me if you have any I haven't recorded like any of these videos yet, so they can be changed. I'm gonna upload this right after I finish recording it, and it's probably gonna be 360p. But it doesn't apply if you're watching it later. But basically, if you have any suggestions for any of these videos that you want to see, if it has to do with the 3900X when I make a video about that, if it has to do with the budget PC when I make a video about that, what would you like to see in those videos, if there's anything specific? And if you want me to make a video specific to your question, proving it, like I can tell you the answer, or I can prove it to you in a video. So, whatever you want, tell me. How many YouTubers do that? Probably a lot. I don't know. I'm very tired. This merch is not out yet. This was too expensive to make for me to sell it just yet. It was like $30. That's the point. So, that's the ideas. If you have any suggestions for the videos that I just talked about making, or if you have any suggestions for videos you want to see, leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.